Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautores.com. I'd like to share with you an update in our previous video on this custom exhaust system for the 87 Chev truck. We shared with you what it looked like from underneath when it was on the hoist. Now, as promised, we have it here on the ground, and you get a better idea or a better look at the contrast now, because our client wanted to go with the checker plate look high polished chrome bumper, and he's a huge fan of Harley Davidson motorcycles and the bubbly sound of the exhaust systems of a Harley. So these are the Borla tuned exhaust tips to match the Borla stainless pipe. So what we're going to do is I'll stop talking. We're going to have Nate start the truck. We'll rev it up a few times, and hopefully the microphone in our video camera will be able to share with you the very unique exhaust note. Okay, Nate? So there you go. Hopefully the microphone picked it up. It's a very nice sounding system, and so once we'll share this with our client, and then we'll continue on because we have some trim coming in and some updated LED lighting system that we're going to share with you shortly. So this is the 1987 Chev 1500 pickup truck. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautores.com.